All right, mosquitoes testing positive for a rare illness.
Yeah, this week, the state mosquito program announced mosquitoes with triple E were found in Hampton and Voluntown. But how much do you really need to worry about this testing?
Well, meteorologist Dan Amirandi joins us now after talking to a local doctor. Dan, tell us what you found out.
The bottom line is, let's not freak out. That's kind of the underlying thing here. So triple E is Eastern Equine Encephalitis. It's carried by mosquitoes, and they typically give it to birds or horses, and then in rare cases, it can be transmitted to humans. So even though the point of my report is to kind of downplay it here and say there's no need to panic, it is still a serious virus with a mortality rate of around 33% if you do get it. Now, if a mosquito with triple E were to bite you, there's actually a 95% chance that you won't get the virus. And even if you're unlucky enough to get it, there are varying degrees of what you'd experience. Most common symptoms associated with that are swelling in the brain, meaning you'd get terrible headaches, a fever, and eventually seizures or coma. Now, earlier today, I spoke to Dr. Jack Ross. He's the chief of infectious disease at Hartford Hospital. He talked about how important it is to take precautions, but also one important note that he had.
I do want to stress, though, this is a very, very rare illness. Again, you're at much greater risk from things such as West Nile, perhaps, in the state of Connecticut, or from ticks, Lyme disease, Babesia, or anaplasmosis, things that we also can take precautions to avoid.
So it's kind of like we've got 99 problems, and this may not be one of those. And those precautions are always a good idea if you're outside during the early morning or late at night. Common sense things like using bug spray that has DEET in it, he pointed that out, or staying in a screened area if you live near a swamp. Those may be some good ideas. So to just kind of sum all this up, wear the bug spray if you're outside and you should be okay. Don't let it stop you from enjoying the beautiful weather and this beautiful state that we live in. It's a great time of year to be outside and, you know, take a hike, go outside, and so don't let the threat of triple E stop you. Obviously, it is a bad thing. You know, we're not saying it's not a scary disease, but just that there's around 10 to 15 people who even get it in the entire United States each year. That's an extremely low number. There's more than 300 million people living in the United States, and 10 to 15 are getting it. So it's like you're more likely to have like a vending machine fall over on you or something like that.
Right.
You know?
You've eased our worries, Dan.
And as Tim Lammers pointed out, the amount of people who have gotten it is actually less than the amount of people in Connecticut who have won Powerball. So you're more likely to win Powerball. So just, you know, we're okay. But just get outside and enjoy a beautiful day like this.
But we're going to look into that vending machine thing.
Yeah, we will figure that out. Get
Thanks, Dan.